You would like to know the estimated annual fees for maintaining the structures of a company, trust, and a self-managed super fund. If you're just maintaining it where, if you're trading through a company, an annual fee for a company, you need to pay to an ASIC. So you've paid $1,500 to set one up. Now, bear in mind, this is Inspire fees that I'm talking about right now. I don't know what other accounting firms out there charge, but pretty sure we're very competitive with everyone out there. Setup, it's usually $1,500 to set it up. To maintain it, you need to pay $260 ASIC annual registration fee. And to do end of year return, finance can cost between $1,700 to $3,000, depending upon what kind of business you have, what's your revenue, how complicated it is. Now, if you want to know more about, in terms of fees relevant to your business, I would highly recommend booking in a strategy call with us, and an accountant can assess it and assist you. Now, trust and self-managed super funds are the same cost. Now, trust is $1,200 for us to set it up. Now, it depends on if the trust is a trading entity or an asset entity. If it's an asset entity, it can cost anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000. If it's a trading entity, same as company. It just depends on what that structure is doing for you, and we can give you the right pricing. Trust doesn't have any annual registration fee that you need to pay to anyone. Company, you have to pay ASIC fee. For a trust, you don't need to pay anything. And for self-managed super fund, a setup is usually $3,000 plus GST. Actually, I think it's 3,300 with Inspire. I think we just increased our price recently. So 3,300 plus GST for setting it up. And for self-managed super fund, you do need to set up a company as well when you set a self-managed super fund. So annual ASIC fee is what you need to pay. And now in terms of Inspire cost, similar, it can cost you anywhere between $1,500 to $3,000. Plus, a self-managed super fund needs to be audited by someone, independent third party. Now, the audit fee can be anywhere between $300 to $600 for a self-managed super fund, depending upon how complex your audit is. Sorry, how complex your self-managed super fund is, and if you have breached done any breaches in your self-managed super fund.